People do freak out when they think
really
the snow's
do.
coming.
Especially in the South.
Oh, yeah.
We
Having
can't
spent
handle it.
most of my adult life in the South.
Yes.
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, you're from Texas.
Yes.
I went to grad school near Houston. You think that it causes problems here.
Yes.
The rare occasions it does there. Oh
Everything
my.
shuts down.
Everything is awful.
But we have the possibility of winter weather in the forecast, so let's first take a look at what's happening this morning. We just have, well, wintry temperatures. 31 degrees in Goldsboro right now. You're below freezing, and you're actually one of the warm spots across central North Carolina. It's 25 degrees at Carter-Finley Stadium. Clear skies, light winds, dry air. It's a perfect recipe for some cold morning temperatures. 26 degrees officially in Raleigh, 27 in Durham, 25 in Chapel Hill. All these temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. Sanford checking in at 23 degrees this morning. That's the same temperature in Siler City. Not record setting. This morning's record low is 19. At least that remains safe. It is fractionally warmer the farther south you go, but exactly freezing right now in Stedman, Eastover, and Fayetteville. That's the best we can do across all of central North Carolina. Good looking dog of the day. Say hello to Banjo. Seems like he's ready to go out and brave the cold weather. Thanks to Jeff, Banjo's human, for sharing that picture with us. Temperatures are going to warm up today, but when you start off this cold, there's only so much that weak, brief December sunshine can do. Temperatures warming up to around 50 degrees in the Triangle this afternoon. Again, it's well below average, but at least it's some recovery from these cold temperatures this morning. We'll be up into the low to mid 40s by noon already and climbing up to around 50 degrees for highs in the Triangle this afternoon. A little cooler to the north, similar temperatures farther south. I think you got a better chance of maybe cracking 50 degrees around Fayetteville and the southern coastal plain, but that's well below normal for your temperatures as well. As we look ahead to the weekend, of course, all possibilities on the map. I want to show you the two main forecast models side by side once again to emphasize that we are still dealing with some significant forecast uncertainty. Remains to be seen exactly where the storm system is going to go, and that has a big impact on what is going to happen and when. American forecast model brings some precipitation, some light rain mixed with a little bit of sleet into place already by Saturday evening. The European forecast model, which typically is a little bit better at its job, holds that off until after sunset Saturday evening. They both bring a round of some wet snow mixed with sleet and farther south, cold rain into place by Saturday night into early Sunday morning. But again, you notice how quick that dividing line is between all rain and then some heftier amounts of snow farther out to our west. So we advance to the day on Sunday. This is where the differences become more apparent. Again, that dividing line, this isn't a huge change between where the two forecast models have it, but it means a big change in potential impacts, how much of that stuff is actually going to add up. Cold rain mixed with sleet and snow and then changing back over to snow before everything finally comes to an end. It does look like things are going to wind down as we head into Monday evening and Monday night. In terms of the odds of enough snow and sleet to mess up the roads, there's a technical definition behind this map, but I'm not going to bore you with it. Greater potential the farther west you go. Around Boone, it's on. They're going to get a lot of snow, and a good chance of it as you head towards the Triad even and into western Virginia. But that transition zone is right across central North Carolina, southern coastal plain. Not very good odds at all that you're going to see enough ice and snow to mess up the roads. Those odds go up even within the Triangle, so we're going to keep you updated on that. In terms of adjusting, travel to the west is not recommended whatsoever, especially as we head into Saturday night, Sunday, and Monday. Allow some extra travel time around central North Carolina. We might have to tip it a little bit farther off that range of work from home if we end up with a more wintry scenario. So what we have in the forecast for the next few days is calm weather ahead of that storm headed our way. The Durham parade should be dry Saturday morning, and then things move in Saturday night. We will keep you updated as it gets closer and closer, Aaron.
All right, sounds good.